Imagine a hot summer day when you are looking for a fun and refreshing way to cool off with your friends and your family. Where do you go? One place in Northern Virginia that covers all what you need for a fresh and fun summer day. SplashDown Waterpark is accessible, affordable, and has everything you need for everybody. This water park offers water slides, pools, bubblers, fountains, tubing rides, a beach area with volleyball, and concession stands. Some of the water features are Pipeline Tower, Lazy River, Tropical Twister, Cannonball Slides, Kids Cove, Lagoon, Laser Pool, Activity Pool, Log Walk, Lily Pad Crossing, and more. Don't miss this opportunity to have an enjoyable and refreshing day with your friends and your kids in SplashDown Waterpark in Manassas. Come to visit and see how wonderful this place is.